Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva, and please share these videos. Very, very important to spread the message about knowing yourself. Spread the message about the vibes of each day, and therefore those same vibrations inside of you. We are all unique. I think differently than you think. I eat differently than you eat. But it's all okay. What is good for me is good for me. What is good for you is good for you. That's the message. And today is the loner, Saturday, the loner vibration. And the message of the loner is to be quiet, to be still. You know, Jack Nicholson, the great actor, is a loner spiritually, or in the East called a hatha yogi. And his trademark is to wear sunglasses, not just in the sun, even inside. Because he's a loner. He needs to separate himself a bit. And when you can't see someone's eyes, you are really separated from them, right? So he's able to stay quiet and stay more within with the sunglasses. Interesting, right? Today I'm going to read from also someone who had the loner in his spiritual area, the great writer and poet, Jim Harrison. Jim Harrison. If you don't know his work, you should check his work out, especially if you like food, you like nature, and maybe you also are a loner spiritually, a hatha yogi. You really vibe with his work. I'm going to read one or maybe two of his poems right now. And play the vibration of the day. It's difficult to play silence, right? The rising sun, not beat or blood, but sea rose red. I amplified my heartbeat 1,000 times. The animals, first confused, then decided I was another thunder being. While talking directly to God, my attention waxed and waned. I have a lot on my mind. I have a lot on my mind. I worked out to make myself as strong as water. After all these years of holding the world together, I let it roll down the hill into the river. One tree leads to another, walking on this undescribed earth. I have dreamed myself back to where I already am. I have dreamed myself back to where I already am. On a cold day, bear, coyote, cranes. On a rainy night, a wolf with yellow eyes. On a windy day, 11 kestrels looking down at me on a hot afternoon. The ravens floated over where I sunk myself in the river. Way out there in unknown country, I walked at night to scare myself. Who is this other, this secret sharer who directs the hand that twists the heart? The voice calling out to me between feather and stone, the hour before dawn. Somehow I have turned into an old brown man in a green coat. Having fulfilled my obligations, my heart moves lightly to this downward dance. So seek out some quiet time today.